So I injured my shoulder not too long ago, and it was extremely painful. The worst pain I've ever had, including having a baby, I would say. I went to see an orthopedic surgeon, and he told me I had what's called frozen shoulder. And he said there were different methods I could use to treat this, the least invasive being physical therapy, most invasive being surgery. And so I opted to try the physical therapy. After about a month of that, I wasn't seeing any results and was becoming very depressed. My quality of life was about zero. I couldn't do all the things I love to do. I have horses, and I couldn't do anything anymore. I was dependent on other people to help me dress myself, and it was just not a good time. It was really frustrating for me because I was so dependent on other people and to help me do the smallest things. Even driving was painful. I couldn't ride my horse, I couldn't play with my dog, I couldn't play with my kids. I literally couldn't lift my arm an inch. I couldn't go forward, backward. I was immobilized on that left side. It was right around this time that I met Dr. Woolner. He came highly recommended by many of my friends, and I went to see him, and he was amazingly thorough in his exam, and I felt I came away with more knowledge than I had with any of the other doctors that I had seen before that. He was able to provide me with more answers than I had gotten from the orthopedic surgeon, from the physical therapist, and from anybody I talked to up to that point. What amazed me was within a really short period of time, I started to see amazing results. Within 2 weeks, I was able to move my arm again to probably about 90% of what I was before I had seen Dr. Woolner. This felt like my life was back. My independence was back. My hope was back that this wasn't going to affect the rest of my life. It's been several months now, and I am back to my old way of life. I forget sometimes I even had this injury. I've got my freedom back, I've got my life back, and I have no lingering issues with this at all. My name is Kelly Stewart. I'm a certified dental assistant. I love horses, I love the outdoors, and I love my life again, and I'm a patient at Meridian Chiropractor.